Hey, Shawn Lawson here, branch manager over at Arbutus RV in Port Alberni, and I'm doing a walkthrough tour for you here on the all-new Winnebago THRIVE 18 FBS. Weighs about 4,700 pounds dry. Just an awesome trailer. You've got huck bolt frame with the BAL stabilizers. So there's a switch for each stabilizer. So those are for the back ones, and then there's two more switches up front for the ones out front. You have on-demand hot water. You've got the Furrion icebox. Air conditioning that's all ducted throughout. Fully enclosed underbelly. You have slam latch exterior storage doors. This is a great new feature here. Just pull that down to adjust your awning so you can tilt it either way, and then just squeeze it back up tight when you're happy with where you've got it sitting. That's just to let the rain roll off. You do have Asdel in the exterior walls, so that's a great product. I can tell you all about that. Just come on down, give us a call, and happy to explain more about how Asdel can benefit you. Nice looking automotive windshield out front here with protective film. You've got a TPO roof membrane, so just a one-piece TPO roof membrane. Two 20-pound propane tanks. There's your other switches right there for your front stabilizers. Power front jack, just loaded with features. Check out that LED light strip up there. Gives awesome lighting for outside. Check out these stairs, super light, tons of adjustment. You just fold those up for transport, and they're really nice and comfortable, easy to get up and down, big footprint and good grip. Love the new countertops that they're putting in the THRIVE. These countertops run in the bathroom as well. We'll get to that in just a moment. This is a molded fiberglass countertop and sink all built into one. You've got a 3-burner cooktop there and oven, and your igniter will ignite your top burners here as well as your oven. So there's no barbecue lighters reaching to the back trying to get that pilot light going. You've got a fixed bed, so no Murphy in this one. Let's just pop this up and have a look underneath. Look at that, tons and tons of storage. Really nice finishing underneath there as well. Plywood base, just shows quality. Lots of storage. Soft close throughout. Look at that little cutlery drawer there. Soft close. There we go. Some more storage. Another one underneath the oven there as well. Let's have a look there. Oh, no, that is your converter. So that's going to be a lithium auto detect converter. So whether you have 12 volt, 6 volts, lithium batteries, whatever you want, you're not going to have to upgrade that converter. Your couch here will fold into a bed. It's just a jackknife sofa. Very, very comfortable. And you've got the two little TV trays, I guess you'd call them, or at least we used to back in the 80s. Neat little feature there. You can just pop those out if you're not using them. Light switch. You've got your USB and USB-Cs, I think they're called, or USB-As or something. Anyhow, those are just for whatever kind of phone you have. You've got the hinges that hold those up. Fridge at the door here. It's a Furrion. I think it's about a 10.5 cubic foot fridge freezer. It's got an off-grid setting. You do have 200 watts of solar on the roof and a 30 amp charge controller as well. There's your thermostat there for your air conditioning and furnace. Foot flush Dometic toilet, and it's a porcelain toilet. There's that fiberglass molded countertop and sink all built into one. Nice shower surround here. You've got a skylight. Tons of storage in here too. Lots of room in here also with for a trailer this size. It's great to have this much space. There's your on-demand hot water heater switch. So there you go. Lots of room in here. Very comfortable, really nice trailer, very well built. The all-new Winnebago THRIVE, and just 4,720 pounds dry. So come on down, Arbutus RV. Have a great day.